Hello,
Hi everyone, I'm Sharon.
I'm Megan,
Megan. I'm from marketing and Megan is a
concept artist.
concept artist. And we are here today to unbox Freeny's Hidden Dissectable One Piece. Woo! We all got our One Piece shirts. Just a disclaimer first. This box we have here it looks exactly like the one that you will be able to purchase right now on mightyjaxx.com, but it's specially prepared for us to unbox because it has all the colorways.
Yeah.
So we have 6 regular colorways, and then we have 2 rare colorways, 1 ultra rare, all inside. But the one that you will be able to purchase, you get a chance to win, to open the rare and ultra rare inside. But you will get all 6 of the regular characters. Alright, so for this box, you'll be able to open it this way into a display. It's
Beautiful, so beautiful.
Let's just take a good look at this box. You have the sides with all the characters over here, dissected, and their names. Let's open this. Let's go. It's Luffy.
Wow.
Alright, so Luffy, it comes protected with this blister. Okay, so it's half, so that because there's a lot of details here, we don't want to have it broken. Okay, and it comes with a stand, like a base.
Yeah.
Right. Alright.
The base is actually based off the wood planks that you get on their ship, the Thousand Sunny.
This here and take a closer look at Luffy. Okay. You see that he's got the scars and all these textures on the hat.
Quite realistic, yeah.
It's pretty realistic. Yeah. How long did it take to sculpt?
Wow. I think one of the characters took us somewhere around like 2 to 3 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks.
Just
sculpting and then making changes and stuff. Right. You can see that, even though he's very small, you can see all the details on the bones and all the intestines. Yeah, and all the folds on the clothing, very detailed. Okay. It is Zoro. Okay, I'll open this one. Same for Zoro, he's packed in this blister, and it comes with his swords. You should have 3 tiny swords. Okay, see all the details and the coloring on the swords.
Oh yeah, that took a while to get all the details right.
So, have a closer look.
First one's in, second one.
Alright.
Ooh, the second one is in. So there's a tiny little catch point in his mouth. I'm not too sure if y'all can see it. The sword basically fits in there.
Yeah, this is your assembled Zoro. So handsome!
I love the way that the swords create so much movement in the toy. It's super sick.
Yeah. Oh, forgot to mention, it comes with a little character card. So you can have this to display with your blind box. So now we will open the third one. I think it's easy to guess which one we are opening because, I don't know, the handsome guy trio of Straw Hat Crew.
Handsome guy trio.
Yeah, I guess they are the most handsome already.
That's true.
Yeah. Okay, so this is Sanji. Okay. See. Wow. Very badass.
Wow.
So you can see Sanji here with his curly whirly.
Iconic curly whirly brow.
Curly whirly brows.
Statement.
Okay, he is smoking like he should. Okay, and
always has a cigarette.
Always has a cigarette, and
the most notable thing, which is the fire.
Yeah. So for this sculpt, it's pretty special. It has his powers sort of like manifested in the sculpt. Okay, so we got all 3 of them together, brothers,
connected.
Okay, take a screenshot. Yeah, he bleeds a lot for sure when he Nami Swan. Next blind box. Okay, let's just open and guess what's inside.
Bing, bing, bing.
Alright, so we got Usopp here.
With his weapon, his signature weapon.
Yep, and for Usopp here, I think it's a pretty detailed sculpt here. Right, he's got, if you can see here, he's even got his tiny goggles here, and all these details on the slingshot.
Yeah.
So you can see that he has his cute little purse with never-ending ammo. Yeah, and his earmark. Even the hair here has lots of details for
Lots of
hair.
definition.
Yeah, definition. So it's very detailed sculpt. There's no bone inside the nose. So you can see the whole dissection of a very long nose.
Bones only have cartilage.
Yeah.
So this is a shot of his character card. Also pretty sick.
See. Let's open this. This is a very, very, very popular one. Okay.
Ooh. It's Chopper! Okay, let's take it out of the book.
Okay, so here's the card. Very, very cute. Yeah. Alright. So can you guys see? Okay. So just, I think something interesting about this sculpt, he has this like herbivore reindeer teeth.
Correct. Yeah. So we actually researched reindeer teeth to give him like a little bit of a more accurate interpretation.
Yeah. And he also has just 2 fingers, hooves.
Where the hooves come out of the skeleton directly, yeah.
Yeah.
And he also has a tiny little backpack.
Tiny backpack. Yeah, I got Chopper here. I think Chopper's backstory is one of the ones that made me like cry
Same.
the hardest.
I watched it in the office because I was doing research, and I pulled up that clip, and I quickly regretted it.
You cried in the office.
Yeah. So imagine me drawing halfway, just going like that, trying to hide the tears from everybody else.
The next one. So this is the last one of the 6 regular colorways. The most number of like arm bones that we have on one.
Yeah. Easily, I think.
Yeah. So she has 5 arms. So you can see all the different bones in the arms, and she's got her trendy shades on her head. I really like that there's all these prints on her dress. Yeah. And alright, and she even has this fringe hanging down. That concludes the 6 main figures for this collection. So now, very, very exciting. We are going to
The rares.
We are going to open the rares and the ultra. This is literally the first time I've seen this. I've never seen this before. Okay.
Wow.
Sick. Shit.
Right. So this colorway is an ode to those who don't just watch the anime, you also read the manga.
Yes.
So this is the manga mono colorway. So we opted for a very dark grey and then a white, and we kept the tones more simple so that it's more visually striking.
Yeah. So it looks like a 2D, but it's actually a 3D.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it has the illusion of shading. And this is the character card.
A special black one.
Yeah. Very classy.
Yeah. The next rare piece, which is Handsome Man. Alright. Beautiful.
Here's the card with a UV spot. Right.
Same thing as the normal colorway one. It comes with 3 swords. Okay, but these 3 swords they're all slightly different.
Black and white.
Yep. So let's put on the swords. Okay. Yeah. And you can see that even his scar has like a accent of black.
Okay. Final one.
You can see it
In the mouth.
His scar on his skull. Now we go on to the final one. Everyone's waiting to see the ultra rare Sanji Full Flame. Okay. Okay, I'm quite excited. I've never seen it before.
I'm also excited.
Yeah. So wow, the card. Wow, it's really sick. Ooh.
Wow, it's so clear.
It has it's pretty clear. It looks much better in real life. So
it's so shiny.
Yeah, it's very shiny and it's translucent. Yeah, so this flame gradient really cool over here. It looks like he's made of fire basically. Yeah, so pretty impressive. Yeah.
The gradient turned out really nice actually.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether you can see how clear it is. You can see it, right? It's kind of reflective.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So nice. Full flame Sanji. If you're asking about the rarity, this is 1 out of 48. Every 4 trays, there's 1 in 4 trays. Okay, so
rare.
Very rare. But very nice. Alright, sugoi! Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you, Jackson, for this surprise giveaway. Thank you so much, and subscribe, and we hope that you enjoy this. Maybe we can have a bonus since everyone is on the way leaving. We can show you our cat just for fun, okay? Because they have been wanting to join. Alright, bye bye everyone. Bye.
See you.